tubies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. You can see I have the remnants on from the BoxyCharm base box. Today we are going to be doing the BoxyCharm premium box. This is more on cardstock than the other one, which is on this, but that's okay. Again, the theme here is spellbound. I mean, come on, it's October, Halloween, getting ready for all those spectacular things here. So I have 6 products here that I'm excited to try out. And so let us see. So first thing here, LiQWYD, LYS. This is the No Limits matte bronzer. This one's for $18. It's cool. It's in color Harmony, so it's a medium shade. So it's one of those like SkinCeuticals, you know, the good makeup type deal that's good for your skin. Very pretty like. Again, this is a nice type of bronzer. We're gonna use it as a contour. How about that? Okay, so I have a little bit of warmth on my skin. Ain't mad at you. That's really nice. Next up, I got the Georgia peach. Okay, so I might be behind, but Benefit Cosmetics. This is Georgia. I love their product. So pretty. Look at how pretty this color is. Okay. And why not look like you have like a really pretty flush on your skin? That got 2 different looks on my eyes. Complements it a lot. And look, just like a really pretty light flush. That's so pretty. Okay. That is $30. Golden shimmer, hint of glow. Come on. Next, I have Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. So this is a mousse. Let's see. Voir hair care. It's $22. Excuse me, $22. So remember back in the day, mousse, especially girls that had curly hair and stuff, used to do mousse and everything, scrunch it up, and gave us some really crunchy curls. Apparently, this doesn't give you any of that crunch, which is really nice. Styling foam is the daily key to crunch-free, hydrating goodness that hushes flyaways and puts your curls on repeat. Hair is not curled. I'm not going to put this product in my hair, which is okay, but I am excited to try this, especially with my youngest. She has wavy hair, so we're going to try that, but at least I'm going to smell it. And this, like I said, runs for $22. As it dripped on me. It smells really clean. It almost smells like makeup from back in the day. Like I'm talking old Coty Cosmetics and stuff. Max Factor, if you remember it. That's what it reminds me of. And it's a nice big old hefty bottle. So there's that. Next, I have, this is Base Blue Cosmetics Dry and Wet Dual Action Facial Cleansing Wipes. Dry and wet, let's see, whisk away makeup and eye makeup without irritation. This is $21. Like we already got from our first box, the Gillette Beauty, the toilettes here. So let's see what that's like. So let's take a look. I think so day and night. So you have the day and then you have the night. I think it's kind of cool. So let's see. Okay, so obviously they're separated. Orange is day. Cleansing wipe, water active cleansing wipe. This one is the wet makeup removing wipe. Effectively removes makeup dirt and oil. So that's actually kind of nifty. I'm going to try this for later on in the day because you have the exact amounts in there. I'm going to try those later. Next up, we have 111 Skin, and I love 111 Skin. Love it. Like upstairs, I have the Diamond Contouring Gel. Total fave, especially for some more of those pesky lines. Look at the forehead, super soft. I love it. This is the Antioxidant Energizing Essence. If you don't know what essence is, it's kind of like this in between after you tone and before you put serum in there. It kind of helps like the product absorb better into your skin. Also helps with like the pores and everything. So let me read you this shit. You ready? Antioxidant Energizing Essence, lightweight product delivering fast-acting antioxidant properties while enriching the skin with NaCY2, don't know what that is, and a blend of soothing botanical extracts used directly after cleansing as a skincare primer. See? And follow with your regular 111 skin routine. Immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalization for refreshed and reinvigorated skin. And so I'm trying to see what this NaCY squared doesn't say anything. So I'm sure that it's some type of, component that they created that is, specific to 111 skin. And so obviously my skin is not cleansed. I have products all on it. Oh, it's so pretty. And that's awesome. I still have some of my Biro essence as well, so I cannot wait to try this once my Biro is all finished. And then last but not least, from what I see here, is Tarte. This is the Man Eater Plumping Gloss. This is $19. It is a really pretty nude shade. It's in buff. It's like a pinky peach type of nude is how I would describe it. Let me pull it out of this container here, or this thing. See what I mean? It's like a pinky peach type of nude color. But it looked like under the light, you see how there's a little bit of that blue. So what blue is good for, blue undertone type stuff, that's why I loved using blue reds. A lot of things with this blue undertone in it helps to make your teeth look whiter. Isn't that crazy? So, there isn't a smell. Look at this big ass applicator. You get a big old applicator, so in that way it'll reach all around your lip. See? Peachy buff, peachy nude color. Look at how pretty. This is really hydrating. It is a little bit sticky. It is minty. It is definitely plumping. I can feel it in my lips. It is a little bit sticky, but I feel that if you're going out, just kind of like just put it on your lips and you're not like eating or anything like that, it'll maintain this look overall. But the tingling, it almost feels like if you had a peppermint in your mouth and you drank some icy cold water, is what it just feels like, at least to me. So, and all in all, here our products all cost us $230. So I'm not mad at all. I think all together for both my base box and my premium box, it came out to about $380. So I am super happy with what I got. Thank you for watching with me, and stay tuned for my next video, which will have the next giveaway for October. Bye.